Welcome. In this video I will show you how to print and scan on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So first of all, let's set up our printer/scanner in settings by going to Control Center, then opening settings after clicking the gear icon. And next we're gonna have to go to device menu on the sidebar. Here you'll see print and scan menus. In print menu you can find your printers and save them. Save your printer by clicking save next to it in available printers menu. If you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer, you should be able to connect to it automatically. If you don't see your printer, you can also add your printer manually by entering its name, address, using the protocol you want to use to connect to it, etc. And besides, we can also register the scanning printer, the scanning device that we want to use in scan menu. You have to simply wait until your device finds a scanner, and then you can perform a scan immediately. Just like the source, select what you want to scan it to and select the file type. And in more settings you can also adjust the rest. Now, in order to print some document, we have to go to our folder, to our files folder, then select whatever we want to print on this computer, and once you are in the right place, select your document and then press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. In destination you're gonna have to select your printer. If you don't see it here, click see more and then select your printer in the following window, and then adjust the printing settings in this menu and click print whenever you're ready. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.